does a snowman keep his money?
Where?
In a snowbank.
No. You cannot say that.
Hi, I'm Rhoden.
Hi, I'm Rhoden. And welcome to Raising the Roof with Ro and Joe. The weather is getting colder.
Green and red are entering the stores.
It's Christmas time! Well, almost.
People are starting to hang their lights from roofs.
Well, though, if you're doing it by yourself
or having somebody do it for you,
here's some things to know.
If Christmas lights aren't installed properly, they can create issues down the road.
Never staple your roof
or use any attachments that would puncture the roof.
Puncturing your roof can cause leaks.
We don't want to only protect our homes,
also ourselves.
We want to keep those warranties intact.
Then how do we hang those lights?
I don't know. You want to use a clip system
that go for your eaves, your gutter lines,
and on your rates, the diagonal part.
I can make a house with my hands. The clip system, you can clip under the shingle
or attach to your gutters. If you use staples to hang your lights,
then you're going to be on the naughty list.
Uh-oh.
As always,
if you have any questions,